Guardian of the Green Forest. Tell us the story of Tasigayang Bunting again, please.
Once upon a time, a mortal prince named Matija fell in love with the beautiful voice of a princess who was invisible to him. Her name was Mambang Sari. Mambang Sari and Matija were finally united in marriage by the lake on the island of Langkawi, witnessed by the forest and all its magical creatures.
Sila ang mata. Kala ko na sini sini.
Dia dah atas ni.
One of the greatest epics ever told, and battled the once of the brave,
Dia orang berasa dia mati konsol ini.
but finally defeated Garuda with his mighty arrow, the Ayun Ayunan, and the race of giants. Impressed by the incredible bounty of the land, our hero then founded the glorious kingdom of Lankasuka, part of which we know today as Lanka.
Hey. Tengah sini kak.
Apa special ah? Estetik sikit nak situ. Buat macam ni. Situ.
Really fascinating because it tells us how the iconic landmarks of Langkawi, such as Buah, Angkalat, and Belanga got their names. The battle ended Sanggadambai, guardian of the island, and she turned the giants into the mountains known today as Gunung Raya and Gunung Mat Cincang, a reminder of the existence of the race of giants on this island. It's quite
Oh ni.
Nasi yang enggan berjamaah